us. Rahul, thanks a lot for your time joining us on the show. What a market it has been, 47,000 just refusing to go down. When you speak with your clients across the country, HNI traders, etc., what's the kind of sense you're gathering? Is there comfort to come in the market even at these levels, or a lot of people are now shying away and just watching from the side?
Ajay, good afternoon. And my clients and all of the investors which are associated with us, they are pretty much underconfident right now, as the markets have been traveling at the really high positions. There is now the time is to be very cautious, as Nifty will be traveling in the range of 13,750 and 13,850, where profit booking is very much expected in the market. Market is looking overstretched right now, Ajay, and both technically and fundamentally there is a requirement of correction. At this point of time, short-term traders must lighten up their position, and very importantly, bifurcation between short-term and long-term position should be made very clear. One can hold large cap and mid-cap companies for long-term, but as the liquidity is high and the economy is getting strong, and before 1st of February, when the budget announcement will be done, till that time, buying on decline should be the strategy for the long-term position. And correction is not expected more than 300 and 400 points in Nifty. So on the lower side, 13,400 and 13,300 will be the levels to watch closely.
Right. Rahul, cement is one space which you really like. Cement stocks are doing very well. In fact, many of the managements which have been coming on the channel also say that the demand is quite strong. But there was some amount of regulatory action which did douse sentiment recently. Your first pick is Orient Cement. Why do you like that stock, and what kind of money can be made over the short term as well as on the long term?
See, Ajay, this is a Birla Group company having huge capacity of 8 MTPA. Main market for the company is widely spread in the state of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Gujarat. So they are having a big market. And Birla One is the brand name for the cement distribution of the company. Mutual fund houses are holding big stake here in the company of nearly about 21%. Mr. Big Bull, Mr. Jhunjhunwala is also holding around 1% in the company. FPI is holding near about 3% stake. And LIC and National Insurance both are holding 2% stake individually. Quarter 2 of the company was reported quite well, where the company has posted a loss of rupees 8 crore and PAT of 35 crores. Operating profit in the company increased by 109%. And speaking technically, we are getting good price breakout in the stock. Investors must accumulate from here at current market price and at declines, keeping stop loss of rupees 75, and the target price which I have set is at rupees 110 for the horizon of 3 months. Over to you, Ajay.
Cadila Health is your second stock. I would want your opinion on that one. But before that, a quick word on Divi's and the API space. I remember you have spoken about some of the stocks in that space earlier, and what a market value creator this stock Divi's has been, over 1 lakh crore today, and outperforming the market, outperforming the pharma index, big value creator. Any thoughts on Divi's before I come to you on Cadila?
See, Divi's has done really good performance, and the stock has done really great, and today as well it is doing really good. And speaking about API theme, Ajay, you know that we have been really bullish on API themes from a long time. And this sector particularly is at focus right now, as the vaccine and the COVID situation in the market as well as in the country is running. So I believe the stocks like this, like Divi's Labs, which are having good business in this segment, will surely do much great in coming days.
And what about Cadila? What kind of prospects do you see there?
See, Ajay, according to our study, after the small correction in market, which is very much expected, positive movements will be seen in the pharma sector, as there will be defensing buying will be done in that segment. The COVID vaccine from Cadila Health is at third stage of trial, and Prime Minister in his announcement told that they are making DNA-based vaccine. And I believe that vaccine from Cadila will arrive in the market in coming 1 or 2 months, and that will be a big move for the company. Performance-wise, the company is doing really good work in reducing debt and has been paying healthy dividend payout of around 23.34%. First half of financial year 2021 has been great for the company, and technically also the stock is looking really strong. Investors can accumulate the stock at current levels and at declines, keeping stop loss of rupees 455 with target price of rupees 525 to 530 in coming 3 months. Over to you, Ajay.
All right. And lastly, agrochemicals. Apart from UPL, which has been constantly under pressure due to recurring issues on the corporate governance or some allegations every now and then, agrochemical as a space overall has done well. And your next stock, Bayer Crop Science, is also an agrochemical major, global agrochem major. Talk to us the story there and what kind of money potential does it hold for investors?
Ajay, see, this company is largely famous for its agrochemical business, which primarily includes sales and distribution of insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, and various other agrochemical products and corn seeds. This company is almost debt-free, and company has been delivering healthy dividend payout of around 20.85%. And in September month, the stock faced correction from the high levels of 6,600, and the price got dragged to the lower levels of 5,000. From those levels, the stock has been has forming good base, and all moving averages and technical charts have met at one point, which shows the stock is having good potential to upside. So investors can make their position in the stock from the current levels with stop loss of rupees 5150 for the target price of 5750 and 6,000 in coming 3 to 4 months. Over to you, Ajay.
Right. All right. We'll let you go on that one. Rahul, thanks so much for joining us on the show.
Thank you, Ajay.
That was Rahul Sharma with his stock picks and market call. But that one particular stock, in fact, the entire market seemed to be going